Now back to our earlier stories, there is a new leader at the top of the Jamaica Premier League table as Waterhouse spoiled Montego Bay United's homecoming with a 1-0 win at Jarrett Park on Sunday.
Only a week ago, Montego Bay United were playing the role of party poopers by beating Arnett Gardens on their return home. After being away from the second city since the passage of Hurricane Melissa, Montego Bay United returned, but ran into Waterhouse, who spoiled the homecoming in a 1-0 victory. It was a win that Waterhouse badly needed, as they had recorded just one win in 9 games. Well, with 35 minutes gone in the game, Rivaldo Mitchell provided the goal that would give them the taste they have lost. That's victory. The win have taken Waterhouse into 6th on 15 points, while Montego Bay United slipped to 2nd on goal difference behind Racing United on 26 points.
Our recent loss was against Spanish Town. That was a hard one to take for everyone at the team, players and staff, even the community. So we get a whole heap of bash, but come here and get 3 points. Works hard for it. We're grateful and we're happy and we thank God.
We really wanted something out of the game. Of course, 3 points was our objective, but we've had our fair challenges and we're overcoming them step by step.
Racing United jumped to the top of the table following their 0-0 draw with Harbourview at Ferdinand Park. The Stars of the East can take the positive that they have not lost a game since the arrival of coach Vassal Reynolds. Dunbeholden ended a 7-game run without a win by stopping Tivoli Gardens 1-0 at home. Nicholas Nelson got the winner in the 50th minute. Tivoli have now suffered back-to-back defeats as they dropped to 7th on 15 points to ahead of 9th place Dunbeholden.
This was overall good performance from our team. I think they stick to the task today. And I think we delivered in the right moment. I think we got some other chances, but overall we're grateful for the victory.
Malines United handed Arnett Gardens their 2nd defeat in a row in a 3-1 beating at Jewsland. Malines were led by a double from Tariq Wilson, who gave them an 8th minute lead. Wilson copped his 2nd to make it 2-0 6 minutes later. And it was a 3-0 even before the halftime whistle, Sam Snoke scoring in the 40th minute. Shea Smith cut the deficit for Arnett on the hour mark, but that was only a consolation.
We have been working harder. We have done a lot of work during the break, and the team is more together. They are a much better unit, and they are playing together, and the camaraderie, they have been bonding well, and I think it has been working.
After performing the giant act of taking down Waterhouse last week, Spanish Town Police found themselves in shackles as they were beaten 5-0 at Mount Pleasant FA. Raheem Edwards and substitute Tajay McIntosh each scored a double in bringing Spanish Town Police back to earth. Chapelton Maroons, who scored 3 wins at the start of the season, continued their search for the 4th as they were beaten 3-0 by Cavalier. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.